I'm going to take you through 4 exercises with 1 anchor using the tubing. So set up in a sumo position. We're going to start off by holding onto the tubing. You can elbow the thigh or not. You can free float it and you could anchor it. So if this is too easy, you can tighten up your slack. This is for triceps. So this is the first one. Number 1. Number 2, pull that tubing up and you're going to give me a lat pull. Notice my arm is in front of me. This elbow is going behind me for some back work. Then I'm going to stabilize and I'm going to work body side to side for core. Focus on a big bend in the waist. Keep your butt really tight. Now look at my legs. My knees are directly over my ankles. I'm squeezing my butt. Then you're going to turn, grab the tube with both hands and lift, overhead press. This is the last one in 4. So quick review: triceps, lat pull, core bend, overhead press, both arms. We are done. Quick pattern with a tubing.